Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And it is a very snowy day here in New York in real life, but I've decided to make a miniature setting with a snowy background, and I got the background from a calendar. That's a page from a calendar, and look how beautiful, look how peaceful it looks. Well, that was a calendar that my mother used to keep, and I have it, so I used this page for a living room background. I've used this furniture before in one of my other videos. The furniture I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I bought other colors, but I wanted to work with the black furniture first. So I found this beautiful background, and it just came to life. This whole living room came to life. I changed some things around because I did make a video with that furniture, but I just changed some stuff around and I added. For example, do you see the TV? Do you see what the TV is? The TV is my GoPro camera. I just put it in there temporarily just for this video, but it's my GoPro camera. Doesn't it look like a TV? Perfect. It looks like an antique TV, but it serves the purpose. Then up here I had, I'll tell you what this is. I should have brought it up. I have it downstairs, but I have an Egyptian looking fireplace, and I think it's made out of like wood, but I took a picture of it and then I developed the picture and I cut it to the size, so now I have a picture of it for a frame. So I used it on this background here. Maybe I'll make a video on Egyptian items. That's what I'll do eventually. And then these elephants, you might have seen them in my other video, as well as the speakers. See the speakers there? That's actually a pen. I took a pen apart and I used this part of the pen for the two speakers. And the TV is on top of a box, just a black box. Then there's another box here which serves as the coffee table with a tray, a decor tray for cookies or whatever you want to put on it. Then over here I have my mother's powder. That table right there is a cosmetic powder that my mother had. So I incorporated it in here. And then that little purse, that's a handmade purse that I made. And I added a plastic shoe. Just for the notion that there's a woman and she is having wine with someone there. They're having some type of romantic time and she took off her shoe. So then in that corner there I have a grandfather clock. I love that clock. I have two of them that I bought recently. Then here's the other elephant, and I added a mirror. Look at that. I added a mirror to, this is actually a box like for a gift box or a jewelry box, but on top of it I added the mirror, and look at how we can see this background reflected on that mirror. It looks beautiful. I love it. You know, I make these creations and then I want to keep all of them, but I can't because, they take up a lot of space. I can't keep everything I make, so this eventually will be dismantled because all my dollhouses are full. But I feel like I want to keep it, and maybe I'll take everything out of one of the dollhouse rooms and make it this. But like I said, I want all of them because I'm so addicted. Then here I have a vintage little dog that I added to this living room. The cage, you've seen that cage before, and those flowers, plants that I have a lot of. I'm going to be making a florist gift shop soon. And then over here I have another plant. on top of a magnet. Those magnets I made a video of because I was comparing the magnets that I bought at Staples and Dollar Tree. So those are the ones that I bought at Dollar Tree. But that's not important in this video because this is just a part of the decor. So look how everything looks when you have a mirror. Look at that. Everything looks double and bigger. The light here is from the Dollar Tree. And if I step back, you will see that this beautiful living room is inside a box. Look at that. Then on top of the box here, I have a wood box. I think it's used like for mail, or it used to be used for mail. I'm not sure, but my parents had it. And I think I'm going to make something in there. I'm not sure yet, but it might be the flower shop / gift shop. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about it. But anyway, that's my video for today. I hope you like it, you've enjoyed it. And like I said, that snowy scene right there was inspired by, look at the day we have today. It's snowing out there. Look at that. Look at that. So that miniature setting was inspired by today. Look how beautiful. I'm going to be going out there soon to help my hubby, with the shovel and all that. He'll do the snow blower and I'll do some areas like the deck down there. Alrighty, thanks for watching.